Hi, this is Easydropshipping, aiming to make your dropshipping business easier. Every day we will recommend you top 7 winning products. Okay, let's see what we've got today. All the links of the products are in the description of this video. Don't forget to check the detail. Are you struggling to find products of your niche? Good news! Easydropshipping.com can help you find products. All these services are for free. You can use filters to find the specific niche you need easily. You can follow and select daily products to sell. And you can check the Aliexpress link, the Facebook ad, and even tricks in the product page. Add the product you want to basket, then inquire to get your quotation. So stay tuned, go visit easydropshipping.com and Thanks for watching. Now if you like this video and you got some value watching it, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as I release one video every day with my selection of winning products. You don't want to miss that. Let me know in the comment which product did well for you, and see you tomorrow for another episode of Easy Dropshipping.